Alright, what's going on, guys? Here with another video. Today's video we're going to be working on my brother's Civic. We're going to be doing the rotors. They're actually drilled and slotted. Rotors in the front. I think the back is not right.
It's drums.
It's drums, so yeah. I know we can do the conversion or whatever, but right now we're just going to do the front rotors and then the brakes. Ain't nothing wrong with the brakes. Just a little mod that my brother wanted, right? Brakes are good.
Yeah, the brakes are good. They just came with the package.
Yeah.
Might as well change them out.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna change those out. Should be easy video. That's what we always say, and it ends up being a fucking 3-hour job.
Fuck that.
But yeah. Yeah, we're gonna be.
You want to open it up? Check it out.
The brakes.
The rotors.
I mean the rotors. I'm sorry. And then one. And then the second one. And then we have the pads over here. So, okay, they're in here.
Yeah, I think they've seen pads before.
Yeah. But, yeah. We're gonna be doing that. Knock this out. Should be the 2 bolts for the caliper rag, and then take that out.
Let's have some fun.
Have some fun, yeah. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Alright, guys, so we're removing, there's 2 bolts in the back. I believe they're 17s, 2 of them.
Yeah.
So remove
The caliper.
the caliper. And then I think there's one right here at the bottom. So it's 2 17s, and then this bad boy should come out.
Right there.
There it goes.
So we got to flip it over there. That bad boy is rusted, boys. It's seen better days.
Yeah. Hey, you still got a lot of pad on there, though.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Can't really see.
There's the light.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's beautiful.
We're gonna replace these and take out this rotor.
Alright, boys. Just,
Hopefully these aren't seized.
yeah, look a little seized.
All right.
Everything looks seized. Alright, man, we're fucking around today.
Alright, guys, so we got the 2 things removed, the 2 bolts, and then it came right out. But you know they have these dumb.
Yeah, we were right. They were seized, alright.
Yeah, they're seized. Well, at least one of them. So what we did, we just drilled it out.
So,
Right there in the middle. Yeah. So we just drilled out the thing, the other bolt or screw, whatever. There's 2 Phillips, so this is out. Now we just put the new ones and put the new pads. So.
that's it, boys.
That's it, boys.
Alright, guys, so my brother stepped in. So he got the rotor on. And we just got the brakes right there. The brake pads, I'm sorry. About to put those on. Got the old ones out. And yeah, as soon as we put that on, we can put everything back together, and I'll do the other side.
Yep.
Alright, guys, we got everything mounted up. Looks good.
Yeah, man.
Damn, bro, you know what we should have done?
Paint the
We should
caliper.
have painted this.
And I got the paint too.
Damn.
I got the
Or like a
fucking
black.
I got the wrinkle paint.
Like that.
Yeah. So we just spray that bitch.
Damn.
It's all good. Maybe we could do it for another video.
Yeah. But the good thing is it's not like other cars. Like this thing lifts up, so it's easier to paint. You get what I'm saying?
Damn, we're already here. That's all good. We could do it for another video.
Yeah. We'll just scuff it up. And... Okay, well, anyways, we
So
got the
nice,
rotor on there, and then everything, all the brakes on there.
So the rotors I went with, for those who are wondering, it's called Detroit Axle. I don't know who, what, when, where, how, but that's the name of them.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's the ones.
Yeah, that's the one.
On them, Lincoln Bio, maybe. So.
If
But
I
yeah, there ain't
remember.
no Brimbos and all that. It's alright, man. It work. Make it work right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, you got like a red. All right, guys, stay tuned. We'll do the other side. Yeah.
Go on the other side, boys.
Just so we can clean up this.
Want the oil red?
On to the next side. So basically just 3 bolts in the back.
Yep.
12 and what else?
17.
12 and 17.
And then this raises up, and that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, and then we're about to see those.
Yeah, we told them the other side was seized, huh?
Yeah.
Seized and dismissed. Or how you say it? I don't know. Cease and desist. Some shit like that. But yeah, boys, just want to give you a little update real quick.
So both of those, I don't know what you even call them, but the 2 screws that go in here, they're both seized. So, or stripped, I'm sorry. So they stripped out, and we had to drill them out as well. So they should be fine without them. You don't need them. It should be fine because there's plenty of cars that don't have them. Some do, some don't. So. The other one has, we only are able to put 1. So, and then this side we're gonna rock with it without it. So,
I mean, it is pushing 800 horsepower.
damn,
It should be alright, huh?
to the wheels. Alright, well, yeah, we got it off, drilled it out, and now we're just saying.
We're about to switch the brake pads. I don't know if we showed that.
You didn't show on this one?
The brake pads? I don't remember. Yeah, we'll put new brake pads while we're at it.
Yeah, the brake pads and rotors, so.
Yeah,
All right.
there it is, Detroit axle, boys. That's what I was telling you. Alright, boys, so we're just buttoning everything up.
Yep.
Got the caliper
Got
on.
everything on there. Yeah, so if you ever want to do it, to do the rotors and the brake pads, it's 2 17s in the back, right here in the back, and then a 12 that goes at the bottom, right underneath the caliper, and then that will disassemble. This flaps open and put it on. So that's really all you need: a 17 and a 12, right? And then the Phillips for these little safety ones. Alright, that's it.
They look nice. I like them.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe we'll end up doing these sometime in the future.
Now we see how that motherfucker comes apart, so
Yeah.
we can definitely spray it.
Yeah. So we could just lift it up. Oh yeah. How you took it out, and just sand it, and you can do it easy on the table instead of being down here. Yeah. Alright. Let's put this tire on.
Give them a little close up of it.
Got that Detroit.
Detroit axle non-sponsor. Alright.
Alright guys, well we got the rotors put on and the brake pads. Shout out to what is it?
Detroit axle.
Detroit axle. Oh man, yeah, I don't know. My brother got them, so I just helped him put them on, and I mean it was fairly easy. Besides the 2 things that got seized up, 2 little screws that go in the middle of the rotor, but other than that, it was, I mean, yeah, trouble putting the brake pads because the shims wasn't lining up or something like that. But
Yeah.
my brother got it, and other than that, I mean, we just knocked it out together. So yeah, I'm show them again, or
See what we can see.
you can't really see.
Yeah. See some of these
okay.
wheels though. It's all good.
It's all good. But yeah, we also actually fixed. My brother had another small little problem.
Oh, yeah.
The car wouldn't crank, and I don't know. I'm sure some of you guys know these Hondas and the 5-speed cars. There's like a little, I don't know what you want to call it, like a little nipple that goes in the back of the clutch pedal that pretty much ignites, sends signal to the little, what is it called, the safety switch, the clutch safety switch to turn on, as a safety, so you won't have it in first gear and turn it on and fucking moves. But yeah, we came, I put it on, and it's good to go now. So she got a little bit of work done for her.
Yeah, man, because I thought it was the ignition fuse.
Oh yeah.
Because it wasn't. It had power to the dash. Everything lit up. I heard the fuel pump.
Yeah.
But when I turned it over, nothing happened. I was like, man, maybe a fuse or something. But nah, then my brother came and he was like, it's that little switch on the bottom of the clutch.
Yep.
Which he was able to pick up the part.
Yeah, we got that on, so that's good to go. Got the fuse on there as well, so but yeah, that's good to go. Next mod, we'll see.
Yeah, next mod, I don't know.
I'm looking at a mod right here.
Maybe if they paid attention, it might.
Yeah, it might come up. Maybe.
I don't know though. I don't know if I got it or not, but.
Let's go ahead and show you what we got on the grill real quick. So yeah, we about to grub. We got some burgers, got some torpedoes. What's in these, babe? Brisket,
cream
cream cheese, and I don't know what else, but that. And just get close to it, man. Come on, man. There's some dip with some brisket, cheese. Don't know what that is. My girl got it. Looks good.
Jalapeno.
Torpedoes. Oh yeah, jalapeno dip. Okay. And then the burgers. That's gonna be it. Rick's not holding the camera. He has to flip the burgers. But that's gonna be it, guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. And we'll catch you on the next one.